Before we jump into the tutorial, it's important to understand why setting up your classes correctly in Wix Fit matters. A well-structured class setup not only helps you manage bookings efficiently, but also improves the overall client experience, reduces confusion, and allows your business to run more smoothly, especially if you offer recurring sessions, limited capacity classes, or hybrid online and in-person programs. Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a class on Wix Fit so you can streamline your booking process and increase the efficiency of managing your classes. To start, you will need to access your Wix site's dashboard and find your way to the Booking Services section. If you're working with multiple programs such as yoga, fitness training, workshops, or coaching sessions, Wix Fit gives you flexibility to organize everything under one structured system. Once you're in Booking Services, look for an option that allows you to add a new service. Locate and click on this option labeled as Add a New Service. This will prompt you to specify the service type, in which you should select Class. This is your first step towards creating a new class on Wix Fit. With this initial setting taken care of, it's time to add service details that include general info, capacity, price, and location. In the general info field, you're required to enter relevant details like the name of your class, an optional tagline, and provide a thorough description to give your potential clients a clear idea of what they can expect from your class. To make your class even more appealing and engaging, you're allowed to add images. Use high-quality images that reflect your class vibe, such as equipment, instructors, or the studio environment. This helps boost conversions. Moreover, under the capacity field, you will set the maximum participants for each session. This will help you manage the number of clients that can attend a particular session. If your classes frequently fill up, you can also enable waitlists inside Wix, allowing clients to join if a spot opens. For the price field, you'll set the price per session or package, and also choose how clients can make their payments. You have the flexibility to opt for full online payment or ask for a deposit. The ability to accept deposits is especially useful for high-demand classes where you want commitment without charging the full amount up front. The location field is another crucial part in setting up your class. In this field, you have to specify the location of the class. You have several options, like selecting a business address, specifying a custom location, or even connecting to Zoom for online classes. If you're planning hybrid sessions, Wix Fit makes it easy to add virtual meeting links and automated reminders for your participants. Once you've provided all the necessary service details, head on to the booking calendar still in your dashboard. Here, you should click on the time slot that corresponds to when you want the first class session to commence. Subsequently, select Class Session and pick the class you've just created. Here's where you'll set the start date and time, duration, and identify the staff member who will be teaching the class. Assigning the correct instructor is especially helpful if you have a team. Each instructor will see only their own schedule when logging in. By now, you're almost done creating your class on Wix Fit. All that's left for you to do is to set the schedule for your class. Fortunately, Wix Fit provides a convenient repeat option, allowing you to easily set your classes to repeat after a set interval. For instance, weekly or every 2 weeks. Not only can you specify the days of the week on which the sessions will be held, but also set an end date for this series. To finalize, you will click on the Save option. This will make the class available for booking. In conclusion, following these steps will surely make setting up a class on Wix Fit a seamless experience for you. You'll manage your clients efficiently, while providing them with crucial details they need to join your classes. To ensure accuracy, take a final look at your live booking page and confirm everything appears correctly: timings, capacity, instructor name, and location. A quick review helps prevent booking errors or client confusion. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Wix tutorials, and comment below if you'd like a guide on setting up memberships, class packages, or automated reminders for your clients. Your feedback helps shape future videos.